George, come here quickly. Today is a very special day. Do you know what day it is?
Peppa, why are you so excited? What makes today so special? Is it a holiday or something fun?
Good morning, Peppa and George. You both look very excited today. What are you talking about?
Mommy, Daddy, what is Family Day? Why is everyone talking about it?
Family Day is a special moment when families come together to share love, joy, and time with each other.
Family Day is not about big presents or expensive things. It's about being together, talking, playing, and caring for each other. Sometimes we are busy with work and school, but today is a special reminder to slow down and spend time as a family.
Family means helping each other, listening to each other, and being there no matter what. Even small moments, like talking or playing, can make our family stronger and happier.
Oh, I understand now. Family Day is about love and spending time together. I want today to be very special. I want us to have fun and make happy memories together. Here we are, George. The playground is full of our friends today. This is the perfect place to ask everyone how they spend time with their families.
Peppa, George, what are you doing here? You look very excited today.
Today is Family Day. We want to know what fun things you do with your families. Can you share your ideas with us?
My family loves going on picnics. We bring a big basket with sandwiches, fruits, and juice, and we sit together on the grass. We talk, laugh, and enjoy the fresh air. Sometimes we play small games, and sometimes we just relax and enjoy being together.
That sounds so peaceful and fun. I would love to try that with my family.
My family loves playing games together. We run, jump, and play ball in the yard. It's always full of laughter and excitement. Playing together makes us feel closer, and it helps us stay active and healthy too.
My family enjoys cooking together. We help each other prepare meals and learn new recipes. When we cook together, we feel like a team, and the food always tastes better because we made it together.
That sounds delicious and fun. Cooking together is a great idea. My family likes to sit together and talk. We share stories about our day, our feelings, and our dreams. It helps us understand each other better and makes our family bond stronger. That is very important. Talking helps us feel closer. George, that was so much fun. We learned so many amazing ideas from our friends. Now we can plan our own family day together. Mommy, Daddy, we have so many wonderful ideas for Family Day. Can we all sit together and plan what we will do?
That sounds like a great idea. Let's all sit down and talk about it.
Yes, planning together makes it even more special.
I think we can do a little bit of everything, so our family day will be full of fun and love. Today, our friends shared so many fun ideas. Some families like to have picnics, some like playing games, and others enjoy cooking or talking together.
That sounds like a wonderful idea. We can start the day by cooking together. Then we can play games. And later, we can relax and talk. This way, everyone can enjoy something they like. And we can spend meaningful time together.
And we can also make it extra fun by working as a team, helping each other in every activity. When we work together, everything becomes more enjoyable, and we create happy memories.
Let's see. First we cook, then we play, and then we sit together and talk. That sounds like the perfect family day.
Planning together helps families feel closer and makes every moment more meaningful.
Here we are, the kitchen. This is where we will start our family day, by cooking something delicious together.
Kitchen, food, yum.
Cooking together is a wonderful way to spend time as a family.
Let's prepare everything we need. We have fruits, bread, milk, and eggs. All the ingredients for a delicious meal.
Everything looks so colorful and fresh. I can't wait to start cooking.
Food, yay.
Everyone will have a role. Peppa, you can help prepare the toast. George, you can help mix the batter. Daddy will prepare the juice.
I love helping. I will make the toast look beautiful.
Cook together, have some fun, family time for everyone.
I'm spreading the butter carefully. I want the toast to look perfect, just like Mommy always makes for us.
I'm making fresh juice. It's healthy and refreshing, perfect for our family day.
Oh no, messy.
Oh dear, the kitchen is all messy now. What should we do?
Cooking can be messy sometimes, but that's part of the fun.
Don't worry, we can clean these together and make everything nice again.
Yes, let's help each other. That's what family does. Look at all the food we made. It looks so beautiful and delicious. And we made it together as a family.
I'm very proud of everyone. You all did a wonderful job.
Cooking together brings families closer and turns simple moments into special memories.
That was such a fun day. We played, laughed, and spent so much time together. I feel really happy inside. I think today is not just about playing. It's about being together, helping each other, and sharing happy moments. Even small things, like cooking or talking, can make a big difference when we do them with our family.
My dear children, family is not about being perfect. It's about caring, sharing, and loving each other. No matter what happens, your family will always be there for you, to support you and make you feel safe.
Sometimes life can be busy, but we should always remember to make time for our family, because the moments we share together are the ones we will remember forever.
Family is where love begins and never ends. Take time to be with your family, not just today, but every day. Let's have another special day together.